Ethan, where are your clothes? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is Sunday afternoon. I am very well rested thanks to the extra hour of sleep that I got last night. Ethan, of course, woke up pretty early, but I didn't have to like jump up because it's Sunday and there was nothing for me to do. We are getting ready to go to run a couple of errands. I'm already dressed. Xavier is already dressed. Xavier? I'm trying to figure out how I cleaned this room up yesterday. I hear of them the other day. Now Ethan's like, I want to take a picture.
Wait, look at me.
I see you.
I want to do that again.
Okay.
What?
Xavier's already in the car.
Huh?
Xavier's already in the car. Oh, I forgot the grocery bags. Let me go get them. Xavier, take a picture of it. I'm gonna wash my hands and I'm gonna wipe everything down, wash my hands, and I will be right back and show you what I got. Hey guys, so we are back from running our few errands and I'm just going to show you what I got and have everything all spread out here. Actually, yeah, so I'm just going to show you everything that I got. I'm not going to go in any particular order. I'm just going to jump in and show. Actually, I am going to go in a certain order. I'm going to go in the order of the frozen stuff and the stuff that I'm not too worried about thawing out or defrosting. So I'm going to start with the frozen stuff. So I got a few of these frozen broccoli florets. I got some of these frozen tater tots or potato puffs as they are calling them, and a few of these turkey sausage links. And ALDI did not carry these before. They only carried these in the beef kind, so I'm so happy that they actually went and added the turkey variety to their permanent line. I got some frozen waffles for breakfast, frozen pancakes for breakfast, and some fish, some wild caught fish fillets. I don't know why I had such a hard time with that. That, and then also these pumpkin cookies because they were on sale because Halloween was yesterday. Yeah, that's everything that I got that's frozen, so I'm gonna put this stuff away and then I'll come right back and show you everything else. So next I'm gonna show you everything that I got that has to be refrigerated, and that's just like produce and stuff. So the first thing I got are bananas, and then I got some green grapes. Let me know in the comments below, are you a green grape person or a purple grape person? Some green bell peppers, some mandarin oranges. My kids go through these so quickly. This was the last bag that they had. One of these doesn't look too good, but it was literally the last bag, so I'm probably gonna have to go back like Wednesday and get more of these because that's how quickly they're gone. Some cilantro, and some turkey hot dogs. This sandwich spread is something that Liza Adele talks about all the time. It's the pimento cheese sandwich spread, the original one. I'm not sure if she gets the original or if there's some other variation of this. I'm not even completely sure what this is, but I saw it and remembered that she had talked about it, so I was like, let me just get it and try it out since it is football Sunday. Then I got some fresh salsa, medium, also for my chips that I got, and then some string cheese for Ethan's lunch, and some eggies, because Ella have a toddler. And oh, last thing I got was this Cosmic Cranberry kombucha. So real quickly, I'm just gonna skip to like the box stuff. I'm so bummed because I got a bunch of like pasta sauce, different marinara sauces, and I got mushroom and the regular marinara. But I got those because I got the, what is it called? The ravioli, and they had mushroom, they had 4 cheese, and they had like tomato, basil. And I got to the register, they were $1.79 each. And I got to the register and it was like blocked. Like they would not let me buy it for whatever reason. I'm not sure why. It was a ton of them on the shelf. But the guy like went into the manager's office and talked to him and all this other stuff. And then he came back out and said, you can't buy this. And I'm like, okay. But anyway, I'm bummed because that was gonna be like one of my meals for the week. Probably like the main meal, and I was gonna cook a few of those and have it for dinner for a few days. So now I have all this pasta sauce, but that's fine. You can never go wrong with having a ton of pasta sauce. So I'm probably gonna do spaghetti again this week, or maybe some chili, or I think I have some penne in there. So I'll probably do that. Yeah, maybe I'll do that. But anyway, I was looking forward to having ravioli this week, but oh well. And then I also got this slow cooked tomato and sweet basil soup, and it looks so good. They also had like a chicken noodle and a mushroom and bacon, but you guys know I am plant-based. I don't eat meat. The kids eat meat. Actually, do you guys know that? Yeah, I don't think you do. So I'm pretty pescatarian. I don't eat chicken, beef, turkey, any of that. I eat seafood, and I do have like dairy, which I shouldn't be having dairy, but you know, I was talking to my friend Jacque about this the other day, and she's like, I can't give up cheese. And I'm like, me either. Vegan cheese is just not the same. Huh? Okay, Xavier. Here, hold on guys, 1 second. My friend Jacque has a YouTube channel. It's so good. I'm gonna leave her channel down below. So anyway, yes, I got this soup. I've never tried it before, and I'm looking forward to it. So that'll be one of my little meals this week. So I got this apple juice for the boys, some more barbecue sauce, and I got these tortilla chips, these veggie straws, and Xavier picked out these. I was choosing my battles on that one. And then I got these yellow diced peaches for Ethan's lunch. Also got a box of these for his lunch, squeezable fruit blend, strawberry, applesauce, cookies, which nobody needs, these crackers, baked naturally flavored cheese crackers, some oatmeal, and then this Parmesan garlic chicken coating mix. I'm going to thaw out some chicken, and we'll do this for one of the boys' meals, and then maybe that day I'll do the soup for myself, and yeah, that'll be it. So did I show you guys these? Another Xavier pick. I actually don't mind. I know there's like a ton of sodium in this. I actually don't mind him having this for lunch because it's so quick and easy, and he can actually make those himself. Since I have an electric kettle, he can fill the water up himself, he can turn it on himself, he can open up the package himself, he can just make the whole thing himself. and he has 30 minutes for lunch, and usually I'm in a meeting or something, like something happens where I'm not able to prepare his lunch ahead of time. Since I do work full time while he's in virtual school, I'm not like just waiting on him hand and foot the entire day. He has to be independent for a lot of it, which I am so grateful for. But yeah, so that being said, I don't mind him having that. We just make sure he has like a veggie on the side, and that's really simple because we have the steam in the bag, and he can even do that himself. But it gets hot, so I have to help him get it out of the microwave. Oh, I didn't show you my bread, did I? I got this gluten-free bread. I'm thinking I have a gluten issue. I eat avocado toast almost every day, if not every other day. So I'm gonna try to make my avocado toast with this bread and see how I feel. And then I got the boys their regular bread that they like, their peanut butter and jelly and, you know, peanut butter and banana toast and stuff like that. So that is everything I got. It is Sunday, game day Sunday, so I'm going to put everything away, get the fruit prepped for the week, and make Ethan's lunch, and I am going to make my food. All right guys, I will see you in the next clip. You got your drink too?
I got my drink.
Okay.